I was compensated for this review. This is the 10-pack of the trucker hats. These are really nice hats. You can put your own logo up here, a stamp, sticker, whatever you want to. And let me show you the back. They are adjustable, so you can just unsnap these and put them wherever you want, snap them right back up. They are sewn really well, and they have that mesh back and top right here, and then the padding on the front. And then I just put a little heart on this one, on the pink one, so you can see what it looks like on. Super cute. Has a little bit of a rounded edge on the edge here, on the end of the hat. So super fun hats, lots of fun colors. You could even have everyone in your family wear one of these hats, get all the same color if you're going on a vacation or something like that, and keep track of everyone. Or you can use these for your office, whatever you want. Really nice. I hope this review helps.